Once upon a time, in the colorful maple flip jungle, a group of cheerful squirrels spent their days jumping, racing, and having fun. One day, however, they suddenly felt strangely tired and confused, and Zuzu struggled to keep her eyes open. The wise Sir Nibbleton realized something was wrong with time itself, and while searching for answers, the squirrels discovered a human planner behind a bakery. When the planner opened to the page labeled Monday, everyone instantly became grumpy and annoyed. Professor Tailspin quickly understood the problem, and together the squirrels crossed out Monday and renamed it Snackday. As soon as the planner closed, happiness returned to the jungle. So, if your Monday ever feels surprisingly good, a clever squirrel might be the reason.